Hello everyone, myself lecturer Miss Aditya Nirkushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the topic first aid from Health Education and Community Pharmacy. So from this topic first aid, the topics to be covered from our today's session are as follows: definition of first aid, importance of first aid, goals of first aid kit and action plan. Definition of first aid. First aid is the provision of immediate care to a victim with an injury or illness usually affected by a lay person and performed within a limited skill range. First aid is normally performed until the injury or the illness is satisfactorily dealt with, such as in case of small cuts, minor bruises and blisters, or until the next level of care such as a paramedic or doctor arrives. First aid is an emergency aid or treatment given to the someone injured, suddenly ill, etc. before regular medical services arrive or can be reached. What is a first aid? The Encyclopedia Britannica states first aid as measures to be taken immediately after an accident, not with an idea to cure, but in order to prevent the further harm being done. It uses the available human and material resource at the site of accident to provide initial care of the victim of injury or sudden illness until more advanced care is provided. First aid has the following main objectives: to preserve the life, to prevent the victim's condition from worsening, and to promote the recovery. Importance of first aid are: the importance of first aid is hard to overestimate. Among the major benefits of the first aid are the following: providing the quick medical treatment until the professional assistance arrives. First aid helps ensure that the right methods of administering medical assistance are provided. Knowledge in the first aid also benefits the individuals themselves. It affords the people with the ability to provide help during various emergency situations. Goals of first aid are: to restore and maintain the vital functions, the ABC of the basic life support, that is airway, breathing and circulation, are always the first priority. Airway must be open so that air containing oxygen it enters the body. Breathing must take place so that the oxygen passes through the lungs into the bloodstream, and the heart must circulate the oxygen carrying blood. That is ABC, airway, breathing and circulation. To prevent the further injury or deterioration, and third one, to reassure the victim and make him or her as comfortable as possible. Then first aid kit. The following are the contents of a first aid kit. It contains cotton wool, adhesive tape, crepe bandage, sterile dressing, bandage, thermometer, scissors, glove, soap, pain reliever, antacid, ORS, oral rehydration salt packets. Action plan. This action plan is a vital aid to the first aider in assessing whether the victim has any life-threatening conditions, and if any immediate first aid is necessary. They are DRABC. D means check for danger, to you, to others, to victim. R for check response. Is victim conscious? Is the victim unconscious? A means check airway. Is airway clear of objects? Is airway open? B, check for breathing. Is chest is rising and falling? Can you hear the victim's breathing? Can you feel the breath on your cheek? And C, check for circulation. Can you feel a pulse? Can you see any obvious signs of life? Then the first aid learning outcomes from this topic first aid are: definition of first aid, importance of first aid, then the goals of first aid kit, action plan for first aid.